Areca Palm care tips. I will share how to grow Areca Palm well with beautiful leaves. I have shared with you whether the tree can be grown indoors and outdoors. Areca Palm. One of the most beautiful and easy to grow indoor and outdoor plants. Loved for its lush green fronds and air-purifying qualities, this tropical beauty can brighten up any space. In today's video, we'll explore everything about Areca Palm, from planting and care to propagation and amazing benefits. Let's get started! Part 1. Plant Introduction and Overview. The Areca palm, scientifically known as Dypsis lutescens, is native to Madagascar. Also called the butterfly palm or golden cane palm, it grows in clumps with multiple stems and feathery arching leaves. In nature, it can reach up to 20 feet, but indoors it stays between 4 to 7 feet. This makes it perfect for both gardens and living rooms. Number 2. Temperature and humidity. This is a tropical plant. It thrives in warm conditions between 18 to 30 degrees. It also enjoys moderate to high humidity, so misting the leaves once or twice a week is beneficial. Part 2. Growing conditions. Number 1. Light requirements. Areca palm loves bright, indirect sunlight. Outdoors, it prefers light shade. Avoid direct harsh sunlight, which can burn the leaves, and too little light, which can cause slow growth. Soil requirements for Areca palm. 1. Well-draining soil. Areca palms dislike soggy roots. Use soil that allows excess water to drain quickly to prevent root rot. 2. Soil composition. Best mix. 1 part garden soil or loamy soil for nutrients. 1 part coarse sand or perlite for drainage. 1 part peat moss or cocoa peat to retain some moisture without becoming waterlogged. Number 3. pH level. Slightly acidic to neutral is ideal. pH 6.0, 7.0. Avoid overly alkaline soils, as they can cause nutrient deficiencies. 4. Organic matter. Add compost or well-rotted manure once or twice a year to keep the soil fertile and improve texture. Number 5. Container growing. If growing in pots, ensure the container has multiple drainage holes and use a lightweight potting mix with extra perlite. Number 4. Watering. Water the plant when the top inch of soil feels dry. Overwatering can cause root rot, so always ensure excess water drains out. Part 3. Planting and repotting. Areca palms grow slowly but may need repotting every 2 to 3 years. Choose a slightly larger pot, carefully remove the plant, and place it into fresh soil. Avoid disturbing the roots too much.